This garlic mayonnaise is perfect for everything you can think of, especially with fried momo. This version is bursting with fresh garlic flavor. It is creative for your grilled or steamed vegetables or a spread for your bread. Hello viewers, I am Shawarma. Welcome to our channel Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Into a pan, take 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Make the oil little warm. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and half teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Fry on low heat for 30 seconds. Don't put the flame very high. When it starts to release the aroma, just set it aside. Now take a bowl. Take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise into this bowl. A little bit of red chili powder, little bit of black pepper powder, salt to taste, very little bit of chili flakes, oregano, previously fried garlic and chili. Now squeeze some lemon juice and chopped coriander leaves. Now mix them all and garlic mayonnaise is ready. Serve with your favorite snacks, breads, whatever you like. I serve this dip with fried momo. This sauce is zingy with a little heat and a creamy texture. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. And leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.